deja vu. I just been in this place before. Higher on.
You might have heard this music in lots of memes, but did you ever wonder where this music actually came from? Well, this music is from the popular animated series Initial D. This series revolves around drifting on the Mount of Akina in Japan. And in today's video, we are going to dig deep into this series and we will talk about its past, present and future. So, stick to the end of the video and enjoy. DIY is what everyone needs nowadays, and for that you need proper tools. The tools which are made from premium materials and the tools which can last long. 10 Tools is a premium brand that offers quality tools. Click the link in the description below so that you may get discount on every purchase that you got. Now, before I start the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon, as it will help me create the best content for you lads out there. Initial D was first published in 1995 and quickly became a popular manga series. It was adapted into anime series in 1998, which further increased its popularity among youth and car enthusiasts. Initial D has also been adapted into several movies, the notable one being in 2005, which was Initial D Drift Racer, and video games for PC and other consoles as well. Initial D follows the story of Takumi Fujiwara, an 18-year-old high school student who is also a talented street racer. Takumi drives a Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truino GT Apex, which he uses to defeat much faster cars like GTRs, Evos and RX-7s. Other important characters in Initial D include Keisuke Takahashi, the leader of Akina Speedster racing team, Ryusuke Takahashi, Keisuke's older brother and a successful race car driver, and Ikitani, Takumi's best friend and fellow street racer. Initial D features a wide variety of cars, from Japanese sports car to European luxury cars. Some of the most iconic cars in Initial D include the hero car, Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truino GT Apex, Mazda RX-7 FD3S, Nissan Skyline R32 GTR, and the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 4. Initial D is known for its realistic portrayal of drift racing. Drifting is a technique where the driver deliberately oversteers the vehicle and slides it around the corner, while creating lots of tire smoke. It is a very difficult technique to master, but it is also very exciting and visually appealing. Initial D has had a major impact on the world of racing. It has helped to popularize drift racing around the world and has inspired countless fans to pursue their own passion for the racing. Initial D has also had a significant impact on the popular culture. It has been referenced in numerous other anime, manga, and video games. Moving on to the current time, Tokyo Drift star Sung Kang says that he is currently developing a new Initial D film based on the original manga. The Korean-American actor has teased that the movie will be a faithful adaptation of the original manga. Kang is best known to Fast and Furious franchise fans as Han, a recurring character first introduced in the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Kang also revealed in the interview that the Initial D movie is one of 2 projects he is currently working on, saying it's about cars and drifting and cool things like that. Fans can also expect the movie to have a high production value, with Kang confirming that the project will have a sizable budget. Based on his personal passion and film credits, it's evident that Kang is perfect fit for Initial D movie. Drifting as a sport earned worldwide appeal with Tokyo Drift, which includes elements inspired by Initial D manga, anime series, and movies. So that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. If so, like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. My target for now is 100 subscribers, and I know you will help me achieve this target, as it will help me to create the best content for you people out there. Also, if you subscribe to the channel, maybe Mr. Beast will give you an AE86. Who knows? See ya!